In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and customize filters in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video you want to edit and add it to the timeline. With your video selected, tap on the Filters option on the top of the screen. This will bring up a variety of filter categories for you to choose from. Browse through the categories to find the filter that suits your video. For example, you can choose from categories like food, lifestyle, vlog, retro, and many more. Tap on a filter to preview how it looks on your video. Once you find the filter you like, tap apply and add it to your video. Now, let's customize the filter to better match your video. With the filter applied, tap on the filter icon to bring up the adjustment setting. Here, you can adjust the intensity of the filter using the slider. Drag the slider to the left to decrease the intensity or to the right to increase it. This allows you to control how strong the filter appears on your video. If you want to apply different filters to a different part of your video, you can use the split tool to divide your video into segments. Apply a different filter to each segment to create a dynamic and varied look. You can adjust the duration of the filters by dragging the edges of each layer to your preferred duration. Play back your video to see how the filter looks. Make any necessary adjustment to the filter settings until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're happy with the filter and adjustments, click Export. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized filter in CapCut. Thank you for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!